Good morning. Welcome to my very first holiday day in the life. I decided to switch things up, and today is an easy day for me. It's my off day, so you're gonna see me chilling at home and going to the gym. But I figured I would take you guys along and try this day in the life stuff out and see if you like it. If you do, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And always to subscribe. You guys are always welcome to do that. But today we're going to take it very easy. We are going to do a lot of cleaning and gym stuff and wow, cannot breathe. Basically just hanging out at home, being lazy today, and why not do it together? So right now is literally my favorite time of the year because Christmas movies, like, it is on every single app. Last night I watched Last Holiday. If you haven't seen it, it's got Queen Latifah in it. Such a good movie, such a heartfelt movie. Today, let's see, what should we watch? I watched that the other day. Let's watch Christmas with the Cranks. I'm not much of an Elf fan. I know how much everybody loves the Elf, but I have to say I'm not a big fan of it. I know it's one of those like very popular ones with everybody all over the place, but I'm more of a Grinch girl, like Jim Carrey, Why Are You Christmas, Cindy Lou Who. I'm more into that vibe versus the Elf. I feel like Elf is kind of like bland and dry, although I do love me some Will Ferrell. I feel like the Elf movie isn't that good. I mean, it's good, I'll watch it, but it's not like, oh my god, Elf, like everybody else makes it out to be. Also, please excuse me, I am dealing with sinus issues because I don't know. The weather in Charlotte, North Carolina really, really sucks. It's been going up and down from hot to cold, 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 and it's been messing up my allergies. So right now I sound nasally, and oh my god, you guys, look at this. The cat has finally discovered the tree. And look, that whole strip of lights is out because of her. Like, what are you doing? What are you doing, Missy? What are you doing, Dolly Parton? I see you back there. I have to clean this tree up thanks to you. Look at you. You little turd. So, a little fun fact about me. A year ago, I got into powerlifting with Bay. I dealt with a lot of weight issues. I'm very self-conscious about my weight, so I thoroughly enjoyed watching videos of people from like Gymshark companies like Whitney Simmons, Nikki Blackketter, Stephanie Rowe, and I just saw how beautiful and strong these women are and how confident they were in their bodies because they were weightlifting and working out all the time. So I decided to join my boyfriend, who was already in the gym all the time, and weightlift with him. So right now I am a year in. I've had a few like hiccups along the way, like breaks that I've needed to take like a week or two or so, and food wise, like the diet's the hardest part for me because I thoroughly enjoy things like cupcakes and Debbie pies and all that stuff. So the weight's been the hardest thing for me throughout the year, but I've been noticing a difference. I'll go ahead and post like my before and after shots like right here. But anyways, diet wise has always been one of those big issues for me. So alright, you guys, so I got my coffee here. I went ahead and chugged a big old glass of water before I eat, my breakfast bowl, my Christmas movies, and we're just going to hang out a while, finish waking up. By the way, what do you guys think of this adorable little tray for your coffee table that me and my mom put together? We went to Hobby Lobby to try to find like a centerpiece for my coffee table. And fun fact, if you didn't know, I drive a pink Jeep and Bay drives a blue Jeep. How freaking totes adorable is that? And then I added like the little Christmas trees in there with it to look like they like went on a little scavenger hunt for Christmas trees together. These were Michael's, I'm sorry, not Hobby Lobby. Michael's for $6 because it was buy one, get one half off. These guys are from Five and Below. They were $1 a piece. And then my mom just had one of these extra guys laying around, but I believe she got this at Kirkland's. And then unfortunately she had like a sticker we couldn't get off, so I was like, that's fine because I have a Chip and Joanna Gaines Christmas edition magazine. So I put that on top of there and laid the candle on top so it looks very festive. If you don't know who Chip and Joanna Gaines is, are you living under a rock? Because they are literally magic to home decor. And yeah, that's a little look-see at my Christmas coffee table. So I decided to throw some tinted moisturizer on and some mascara so I look a little bit more alive. But I am currently almost done cleaning. It's almost lunchtime, so excuse the noise in the background. One of the fun perks about living in the city is there's always construction going on around you. So I wanted to come on here and chit chat with you guys, have a little heart to heart felt like moments. Anyways, I am very, very new to the YouTube world and very, very new to the fitness world, the beauty world, just all the worlds. Like 2019 was my year to shine and try new things that I was always scared to do, and I decided to do it. And I've always been a fan of fitness gurus, and let me go mute my TV real quick. But yeah, I've always been a fan of like all that stuff. And as an outsider first coming in and starting this stuff and being new to the whole scene, I do have to say within the beauty community, I'm a hairdresser, so I'm like really in the beauty community career-wise and life-wise. But as someone that's just starting and coming in, the beauty world and the health world is brutal. One of the biggest things I see on social media is people like body positivity, hype people up, love is love, and all that jazz. But if you do something wrong, or if you try to venture out and become a better person of what you are, people are brutal against you. Like, yes, I get it. Women bodybuilders and women in fitness has always been very judged, but why judge a person for transforming themselves into something to make them feel better? We hype up people that are transgender all the time because they are brave for taking themselves out of the body that they were and into the body they were meant to be. But everybody downgrades women of the bodybuilding industry and the fitness industry for having too much muscles. I want to say it's kind of like being transgender, but in a way, it's transforming their body from what they didn't want to be to something they want to be, and people downgrade that a lot. And I've noticed it a lot on like Instagram comments and stuff like that of different bodybuilding roles, which I don't understand why. As a community of people that are supposed to hype each other up and supposed to love each other and show body positivity, especially women. Why is women bodybuilders one of the biggest things to be downgraded and judged very hardcore? Like, if you have too much muscle, you're considered to look like a man. If you don't have enough muscle, if you don't have a big butt, the people are like, why are you in the fitness community if you don't have a six-pack? Everybody has to start somewhere. So why are we the first to judge when everybody doesn't have that persona of six-pack abs, skin, tight skin, gorgeous glowing skin, perfect tan, but not too much? Like, does that make sense? And also the beauty industry, they are the first ones to attack each other when something goes wrong. Like, poor Jaclyn Hill, as an entrepreneur, girl is doing great, but she is the first one to be torn down if anything goes left. And poor Jeffree Star over here, he's the first person to be torn down if Shopify fails. Like, he makes the products, he gives the products, but if the website crashes, people are gonna like bombard him and bash him left and right when that is out of his control. I know I'm not the greatest, I know I'm not the best, I know there's thousands of people out there way better than me, but I try to be the best version of me. You're only going to be as good as you allow yourself, and that goes with the fitness industry. Anyways, I just wanted to come on there and take a second to just say, stop downgrading people for trying to become better versions of themselves, because you never know where we started. You never know how many stepping stones we had to take to get where we are today. And just learn to love, because there's too much hatred in this world going on right now. Miss Dolly Parton? No, you come back, Dolly Parton. Why is this drawer open? Why is it open, Missy? I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. Oh, yeah. And that's another thing. Like, she has a weird, super weird obsession with my pot holder. And we used to keep it in this drawer, which is why it's wide open. But I started hiding it in the microwave instead. Like, look at this. Look, this is from where I kept it in the drawer before, and she went to town on it. So I had to start hiding it in the microwave. And boom, just like that, we're back home. So one of the greatest perks about living in the city is literally everything is within walking distance. So I just walked all the way down to this place that I shared with you. It's called Share Tea. So they make things like bubble tea and everything like that. I got the matcha red bean milk tea, half sweetened, less ice, and y'all, so good. Hello, Rudikins. Are you on your chair? Rudikins, are you on your chair? You little Dolly Parton over here being a lazy kitty. Look at you being a lazy kitty. Are you being a lazy kitty? Are you being a lazy kitty? Everybody's been lazy. Everybody's been lazy. Oh, yes, who's the goodest of boys? Who's the goodest of boys? Quads and calves day. So on leg day, we need all the energy. So me and Bug do Nitro Surge pre-workout. I don't do pre-workout every day, just when I'm feeling tired and I need it to get through a heavy day. Right, Bug? Right. Okay. I just take this crap and I throw it in my mouth and I swish it around with some water and chug-a-lug-a-lug. So, shut up, I said keep it at G rated.
There's not a single day that passes, not even 1 minute can.
Next, after the gym, it's always good to get in some source of protein. I usually do 1.5 scoops of this one. It's Gold Standard Whey Protein Isolate and cake donut flavor. And then I add in a scoop of collagen to it as well. And this also has some protein in it. So between the two, there's probably like 24, 12, what's that, 36, and then 46 grams of protein, which is a hell of a lot, but considering my macros calls for, I think, 112 grams of protein a day, it's just barely scraping the surface till dinner time. So I fill that up with those two, and then instead of water, I like to do almond milk because it makes it a little bit like more like a milkshake. And my little fun thing to make it a little bit sweet is I do half and half, depending on the flavor. Right now I'm doing red velvet cake coffee creamer, but I only do like a tablespoon of it, so it makes it a little bit flavored. It's really good with the pumpkin spice too. So I do that, drink it, I let that sit, and then I'll eat dinner in like an hour or so. So yeah, there's a kitty on the stove. Alrighty guys, I wanted to give a proper send-off. It is currently the end of the day. I want to thank you so much for coming along my journey and watching my video. I am now going to sit down and edit a video. So hopefully you enjoyed watching. I'm rambling at this point, but if you like stuff like this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and always don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.